Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through Halloween cell, which is a problem under implementation session of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So in this problem, we have a couple of elements as input, such as the initial price of a gift, the kind of discount of a gift when you are buying multiple gifts, and then the minimum price of a gift which you cannot have advantages of discount anymore, and then we have your initial amount. And then given those value and given the scenario of performing discount, you're supposed to find out how many gifts you can buy with your initial amount. So that is globally the goal of this problem. Before getting deep into the approach of how we are going to solve it, I do encourage you to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss what we are doing here in terms of data structure, strategies, and problem solving. Nice. Now, regarding this, so let us take this one for instance. You have an initial amount of 70, and then you know that if you buy the first one, which is 20, the next one will be actually 3 cheaper. So it will be, because the discount is 3, so it will be 17, which is 20 minus 3. And then the next one is 14, and so on and so on. When you reach 8, if you apply a discount on 8, we are going to find ourselves with a price of 5. And then we have the condition saying that if after performing the discount, the price is actually less than the minimum price, what we should do is actually consider the buying price as the minimum price. That is why here after the 8, you see that we have 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and go on. Now, how are we going to solve it? How are we going to solve this problem? The approach we are going to use will be actually exactly the same approach we just described here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to have an initial value at 0, and then while the actual amount, like while our sum is actually greater or equal to the current price of the gift, we buy it. And then after buying a gift, we perform we compute the new price. That will be the price minus 3 if after that is C less than M, otherwise it will be M. So what will it look like? It will be look like this. So let me just type it here. So we have our result to 0, and then that's what we need to return here. Now that we have those elements, we are going to have a for or a while loop. I will go for a while loop. So I will say while the sum, that means the money I have, is actually greater or equal to the price of a gift, then I can buy it. So while we are in this condition, we can buy it. So whenever we are buying a gift, the price of the gift will actually be reduced to. So this means that I'm going to remove P in my price. So if I was having 17 like this, after buying one gift of price 20, my total amount will now be 50. So this is what the line will do. And then after this, I need to update the price of the price of the gift. So the price of the gift will actually be either it will be M or it will be P minus G. So if P minus G is actually less than M, it should be M. So it should be the maximum value of P and P minus G and M. So at the end of this, that means at the end of any operation, I'll just increment results saying that, okay, I was able to buy the gift. Now let us run this and see what it gives. We have a congratulation, everything is green. Let us submit and see what it gives. We still have a congratulation, everything is green. So this was one way of solving this. So if you're someone interested to recursion, you may ask yourself, is it not possible to solve this with recursion? Indeed, it is possible. Now, how will it look like? So I'll first write the function. I'll first write the function here. The function take parameter So those are the parameters of the function. When it comes to recursion, one thing you need to take into consideration first is how when are you breaking the recursion. So I have a typo here. How many? So now it's okay. So when are you breaking the recursion? So here we say, okay, if our budget S is actually less than the price, we need to break the function by returning 0. Otherwise, we need to return the same function because we are in a recursion manner. And when it comes to returning the function, the first thing you need to do is how are you updating the parameter of the function to do not have an infinity loop. So how will the price change actually? The price of the function will be now the maximum value of m and p minus d as we did before. Now that we've changed the price, how are we changing the discount? There's nothing changing on the discount, so we are going to return the same value. What are we changing on the minimum price? Nothing is changing on the minimum price. And how are we changing the our budget? We need to remove p, the price of the gift, and at the end we need to remove this plus 1. Why plus 1? Because after each operation, each step, we are buying a gift, and then we need to increment our result by 1. Let us run this and see what it gives. I would already submit. So you can see that we still have everything green. So this is another way of solving the. For those of you asking yourself if it's not possible to solve this in maybe big of 1, it should be possible. It should be possible. I haven't yet figured out exactly how to do it from end to end. I've started something. I may have a bit of time to complete it. This is an idea of solving is from with big of 1. This one is failing one case. So if you see, you will see that it is actually failing one case. But to be honest, it is failing 3 cases because this 0 is actually a dummy value that actually make 2 tests be correct, which is something you actually don't want to have done. So you need to kind of compute this. This is where the problem is. If you have any idea of how to solve it, it will be interesting for you to share with me how you can approach it and solve it. Yeah, so this is what I was saying. Pass all the test cases, just one is failing. If you find out how to deal with this, it should be nice. But eventually I should give you the solution. In fact, if you want me to give you the solution, the complete solution, don't hesitate to ping me, and then I will share with you how to have this passing all test cases with big of 1. It was a pleasure for me to share these approaches of solving this problem. See you on the next video. Take care, keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ciao.